Hey everyone, welcome back to Cruise Class. In today's video, we'll be looking at another example of how we can calculate a limit of an indeterminate function. Now, once more, to calculate limits, all we first substitute the x. So if x approaches 8, therefore we're going to put 8 everywhere x is. Upon doing that, we realize that 8 squared is 64. 64 minus 64 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. So therefore we have 0 over 0. And when we have 0 over 0, it's what we call an indeterminate form. Good? Now an indeterminate form, once more, we need to find a way to cancel the 0 causing terms. Now obviously, if x is approaching 8, the 0 causing term must be x minus 8 because 8 minus 8 is 0. So therefore, there is a x minus 8 hiding in the quadratic expression up here as well. So what we need to do is factorize that quadratic expression so we can find the x minus 8. So when we factorize, it's the difference of two squares. So therefore, it will be x minus 8 times x plus 8. If we want to look back on factorizing the difference of two squares, we can look back on one of my old videos. I'll leave the link in the video. Now, after we factorize, we will now rewrite the entire expression. However, this time we're going to rewrite the quadratic expression in its factored form. So we're going to rewrite the factored form here, and we're going to rewrite x minus 8, and we will have this. So after we factorize the numerator, we have x minus 8 times x plus 8, all divided by x minus 8. So because x minus 8 is a 0 causing term, we're going to cancel x minus 8, we'll cancel x minus 8, and that will leave us with x plus 8. So x plus 8 is the true function that we need to find the limit of. So after we cancel, we now just evaluate the limits normally. As we can see, the limit as x approach 8 of the function x plus 8, we just substitute 8 where x is, and we have 8 plus 8, 16. So therefore, the limit of this function will be 16 after we cancel the 0 causing terms. And this is just another example of how we can work out limits that have indeterminate points in them.